Good day. My name is Big Man. The name I use to register in MMM is Big Man. That's my name. I am participant of MMM Student Guidance School, batch 39. I want to talk about the MMM, the principle of MMM, idea of MMM, and benefits of MMM. Firstly, what is the full meaning of MMM? MMM is Mafordi Mandra movement. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a peer-to-peer system where participants willingly transfer donation directly to the accounts of other participants. MMM is not a bank, it's not a business, not a company, not an investment, but MMM is a donation platform. MMM has no central account. We do not transfer money we do not transfer money to MMM. Instead, we send our donation directly to the participant's account, founder of MMM. The name of founder of MMM, the leader of MMM, the name is the real man, Sergeant Mafordi. God bless you, sir. He having a degree in mathematics. He worked as a programmer and took part in development of the first operating system. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was also a deputy of the Russia Parliament. Ideology of MMM. The reason why Sergeant Mafordi created this community is to fight the unfair financial system of the world, where the rich become richer and the poor become poorer. Its aim to demolish the unfair world by making MMM. MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps participants worldwide to connect those who are in need to those who are ready to provide help. Need with their spare money to use it to provide help to each other. MMM is also a new system designed to make people in the world prosper based on unity and brotherhood without boundaries that each other. How MMM work? When you become a participant of MMM, you have your own personal office, what we call PO. In your personal office, you will see the provide help, that is PH, and you see get help, that is GH. Provide help simply means to donate or give financial assistance, while get help simply means to ask for financial assistance when you declare the willingness to provide help. By clicking the provide help, that's PH, in your personal office, your account will be credited with MAFU. How MMM work? The condition of how MMM work is also the MAFU amount will start growing from the amount you provide help, from the amount you pledge at the rate of 30% per month. Example, 1% per day. Declaration of interest occur twice a week. Example, on Tuesday and Thursday. The sum in your MAFU show how much you can request yourself. If you announce the willingness to provide help, help of $100, you'll be credited in your personal office, that is PO, with 100 MAFU, and they will immediately start growing. A month later, this 100 MAFU will become 130 MAFU. Accordingly, you will be able to request the assistance of $130. Example, $100 is equal to $100. After 30 days, $130 is 100 mafro after 30 days, and you will get 130 mafro, 130 USD dollar. You cannot get it more than you cannot get it more than what you have in your mafro. Medium of sending and receiving mafro. Uses your local bank. Example, member donate to one another bank account. Also uses electronic currency called Bitcoin in sending and receiving donation. Bitcoin is a digitalized currency. You can create a Bitcoin wallet for free in the www.blockchain.info. Benefit of MMA. After you provide help, you get 30% growth per month for the amount you provided. You can get 4 solicitation bonus of $20 USD, $50 USD, and $100 USD, depending on the amount you provide, the amount you pledge. Example, $20 USD bonus, where the donation is between $50 USD and to $499 USD. Another one, $50 USD, where the donation is between $500 USD and $299 USD. The last of the list is $100 USD bonus, where the donation is $3 USD and $3 USD and above. You can also get 10% referral bonus of amount you pledge by each of your invitees. If you are a manager, you can get 5% from the first generation, 3% for the second generation, 4% from third generation, and so on. 1% for the third generation, and so on. After you get that, if you make a video of your successful get up aside from the letter of happiness, you are given 5% from the total amount of your get up if you show your face on video, and 3% if you don't show your face. Rules of MMM. People are allowed to use one account. Multiple accounts is prohibited. Do not share your bank details with others. If you have multiple accounts in your system will be, you will permanently blocked, deleted from the account. Another one, do not share your bank details with other participants. Third one, do not delay paying for others. Do not edit your bank details or change password than 15 days before getting help. If you do so, your get help will be delayed for 14 days before you are marked. Do not lie by uploading fake POP, that is proof of payment, POP, to the system. If you do so and you are caught, your account will permanently blocked, deleted from the system. Rules. The condition of rules of MMM. Do not click on I refuse to make payments, both for more than 1 month. Do not match deposits and fail to attach. Do not make your deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. It should be assumed that you do not make the payment, and if your time runs out, you'll be blocked. Do not fail to confirm your payment when you get it. When you receive assistance, it should be assumed you did not get it, and if you are discovered, you'll be blocked. Do not allow your family member to pledge more than you do. Always remember to write letter of happiness of get help. Maximum day to write this is 3 days. Failure to do so, your account will be blocked. Your account will not be allowed to get another help, and you can also be blocked. Possible. Thanks very much for your time. Thanks very much for your time for the time you find to listen to this documentation. May God bless you. Join me today. What are you waiting for? Join me today and get your life transformed. MMA, together we change the world. Thank you. God bless you.